Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dimma Tutorials Online School. Dimma Tutorials Online School is an educational channel that aims at helping students succeed in their exams excellently. Now today, I'm going to be bringing you lessons on general knowledge, okay? I have some questions I've selected from Post UTME past questions. So I urge you to watch the video to the end to enable you prepare better for the section on general knowledge or current affairs, okay? So these questions are selected from Post UTME past questions. Which of the following, the first question, which of the following will sink when placed on water, okay? Now we have option A, ball, B, plastic cup, C, balloon, and D, eraser, okay? This is very simple. Ball is a floating object. B, plastic cup is a floating object. C, balloon is a floating object. So eraser is the one that will sink when placed on water. Okay. Now let's see the next question. The following are domestic birds except. The following are domestic birds except. So option A, duck, pigeon, turkey, vulture. Now the correct answer to this question is vulture. I believe you already know it, okay, because it's very simple. Duck, pigeon, turkey are all domestic birds except vulture, okay. Now the next question, we have the title of the traditional ruler of Benin is called. The title of the traditional ruler of Benin is called option A, Obi, B, Obong, C, Oba, and D, Igwe. If you live in Nigeria, okay, this shouldn't be a problem to you, okay. The traditional ruler of Benin is called Oba, okay. Now the next question, see, the questions are very simple, very simple, though there might be some tough ones. All you just need is to know them and they will not be tough to you anymore, okay. Now these questions I didn't mention earlier, these questions are from UniLag Post UTME past questions 2014 Post UTME past questions. Now if UniLag is not your prospective university, it's important to watch the video to the end, because one or two questions from here might also be seen in your own exams, okay, because the questions are just on general knowledge, the things that should be known to you, okay. Now the next question we have, which of these is not a method of preventing iron from rusting? We have lubrication, which means to apply lubricant, okay, on an iron, okay. Option B, we have galvanization. Galvanization is just to coat an iron with zinc, okay, to prevent it from rusting, to coat an iron with a rust resistant zinc, okay, to prevent the iron from rusting. So that's what galvanization means, is a method of preventing iron from rusting. Now option C, melting, is the correct answer, okay. Melting is not a way of preventing an iron from rusting. Option D, we have painting. Of course, painting is a way of preventing iron from rusting. Now the next question we have, which of the following is not a rainbow color? We have option A, indigo, B, purple, C, orange, and D, green, okay. Now the correct answer is purple. Purple is not in the rainbow colors, okay. It's not among the rainbow colors. Now rainbow does not contain purple color. It doesn't contain purple color. It contains violet color, okay. It contains violet color. The colors of the rainbow are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, okay. These are the colors of the rainbow. Now option B, like I said, is the correct answer. Purple is not among the rainbow colors. Next question, a person who flies an aircraft is called. This is simple. A person who flies an aircraft, airplane, a chopper, helicopter, a person who flies it is called what? A pilot, okay. We have option A captain, C, a craftologist, C, a pilot, and D, an aeronautical engineer, okay. Now option C is the correct answer, a pilot. Now let's see the next question. Question 8. Kwame Nkrumah Museum is located in dash. Kwame Nkrumah Museum is located in dash. Option A, Tanzania, B, Kenya, C, Mauritania, and D, Ghana, okay. Kwame Nkrumah Museum is located in Ghana, okay. Is located in Ghana. Kwame Nkrumah was the first prime minister of Ghana. So option Option D is the correct answer. Okay. The next question we have, an example of a confluence town in Nigeria is, we have option A, Onitsha, B, Obudu, C, Lokoja, and D, Port Harcourt. Okay, a confluence town is a town where two rivers meet. Confluence is the junction where two rivers of probably equal width meet. Okay, so the confluence town that we have in Nigeria is Lokoja. In Lokoja, we have River Benue and River Niger meeting. Okay, that's where River Niger and River Benue meet. Okay, so confluence town is in Lokoja. Option C is the correct answer. Now, the next question 10, we have question 9 rather. We have, in parliamentary system of government, members of the parliament are required to report the proceedings of the house to their. In parliamentary system of government, members of the parliament are required to report the proceedings of the house to their. We have option A, local government chairman and governors, B, constituencies, C, political parties and party stalwarts, and D is traditional rulers. Okay. Now, in parliamentary system of government, okay, members of the parliament are required to report the proceedings of the house to their constituencies. Constituencies are the districts created for the purpose of election. Okay. Now, in parliamentary system of government, the members of the parliament report to their constituencies where they were elected. Okay, where they were elected. So option B is the correct answer. Now, the next question 10. Under whose regime were Delta and Adamawa states created? Under whose regime were Delta and Adamawa states created? We have option A, General Sani Abacha, B, General Murtala Mohammed, C, General Yakubu Gowon, and D, General Ibrahim Babangida. Now, it was under General Ibrahim Babangida that Delta and Adamawa states were created. They were created in 1991. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you learned something new from today's video. I'll be bringing you more questions on general papers. Okay. Now, in case you don't already know, I have another channel, Dimma Tutorials, okay, which is an older channel. And in Dimma Tutorials, what I do is to teach majorly English. So if you're preparing for Post UTME and you know that English language is going to be asked in your Post UTME, okay, because every school asks questions on the use of English. So it's important for you to go and watch the videos I have in Dimma Tutorials if you're preparing for Post UTME, because I have a lot of videos I've done for Post UTME candidates on use of English in Dimma Tutorials channel. Make sure you visit the channel and watch the videos to help you prepare better for the exams, okay? So that'll be all for today. I need you to please click on the subscribe button. Please click on the subscribe button. Please, it will help to promote the video on YouTube. It will help to promote this channel on YouTube. Okay, like I said at the beginning of this video, this channel is actually meant to prepare students to excel in their exams, not just on general papers or government or arts related subjects, on every subject, because I've recruited teachers who are going to be bringing lessons on different subjects: chemistry, physics, geography, mathematics, okay, on this channel. So I need you guys to please click on the subscribe button to help promote this video or this channel on YouTube. Okay, please click on the subscribe button. All these teachers that I've recruited, that I've employed to bring lessons for you guys on this channel, I'm going to pay them. Okay, so all I need you to do for me, just to click on the subscribe button. You know that clicking on the subscribe button is free of charge. It's just like clicking on the like button. It's free of charge. It's totally free of charge. Okay, please just click on the subscribe button and help to promote this channel on YouTube, okay? And so that I employing the teachers to bring lessons for you guys will also make sense to me, okay? Thank you very much for watching. I will see you guys again very soon. Bye bye.